Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 11th April 2025, Nifty index opened negative and remained in the range of the first hour's candle for throughout the day. It moved in a consolidation of 100 points for the rest of the day and failed to hold above 22,450 levels. It took support at 22,350 and closed with losses of around 140 points. It formed a small-bodied bearish candle on the daily frame with longer lower wick, which indicates that support-based buying is intact but upside remains capped due to global tensions and higher volatility. India VIX was up by around 5% to 21.4 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.93. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 21,800 to 23,000 zones, while immediate range is in between 22,100 to 22,700. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 4,358 crores, while DIIs or buyers were 2,977 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 21.6%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 22,500, some weakness could be seen towards 22,222. While a hold above the 22,500 level could see the next leg of rally towards 22,850 zones. For Bank Nifty, it has to hold above 50,250 for a bounce towards 51,000, while a hold below the same could see some weakness towards 49,750 levels. Finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in NBCC, HPCL, HUL, Ambuja Cements, Hudco and IDFC First, while some weakness could continue in Muthoot Finance, Biocon, MGL, KPIT Tech and SBI. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.